Hey guys, Brian from Bear Bull Traders here. It's Friday, April 20th. Just thought I'd go over trade we did in the room this morning. I was watching three stocks. One was Skechers, SKX, and another one for a breakdown. But I was also watching Square, and the reason I looked at Square was because, despite the fact that the market's been sort of on its heels, as they say. Square's been holding up pretty well. And it was sort of up pre-market, and so I decided to watch it for opening range breakout. So you can see here, pre-market activity was kind of bouncing here, but I really thought, it sold off a little bit, just right at the open, and then it kind of held. And so I was watching this level right here. And this is the kind of level that was sort of highs pre-market. And so when it jumped up above there, I took a long position and sold most of it on that little pop because things seem to be a little bit choppy right now. It pulled back right back to this level of where it broke out, which was, prior level of resistance becomes support. And you can see here it found support, and then I just held on to the rest of it and sold it up here as it broke 52. I kind of was looking at 52 as my target. So yeah, I don't always. I guess I posted a lot of trades that were breakdowns on the open, and thought I'd show you. We don't just look at the breakdowns. We can pray the breakouts to the upside as well, and they work just as well. So kind of a dicey market right now. We seem to be struggling at this level, and we'll see what Monday brings. We've got a bunch of tech companies reporting, some big tech companies next week: Google, Amazon, I think Facebook. So tech's been getting hit hard over the last couple days. We'll see where tech and the semis go after they report some of the earnings. Anyway, that's it. You guys have a great weekend. Brian at Bear Bull Traders. We'll see you in the room on Monday morning. Bye for now.